So today we are going to be making an amazing homemade natural seasoning spice with no artificial condiments or preservative. Yeah. So our ingredients are
carrots, red chilies, fresh curry leaf, red capsicum, shallots, turmeric, garlic, fresh parsley, onion, ginger, dry soya bean, dry rosemary, dry African calabash nutmeg, black pepper, sea salt, spring onion, leek.
I will respond immediately, ASAP, as soon as possible. So we're also using ginger for our natural homemade spices. Wow, that was super fast and easy. Wow. And look at the shapes. It gives me this. Yeah, this sprinkles shapes. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Wow. Woo. With our whole lemon Saladmaster. Wow.
Wow, this is beautiful. Amazing. Beautiful knife, wonderful knife. You're going to love this.
Wow, these are all the fresh vegetable, natural vegetable with all the rainbow colors, yeah, and spices. You have to arrange it flat. Seasoning spice. Then I'm adding the red chilies. Using our wonderful Saladmaster Food Processor. We use our Saladmaster Food Processor. And then the carrots. The one I'm going to be adding is the ginger, the shredded ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Slice spring onions, slice with our wonderful Saladmaster knife. Then I'm also going to be adding in the curry leaf. And of course, fresh parsley. Our rosemary to dry properly, black pepper, African calabash, nutmeg, soya beans, soaked soya beans, wash skin out. We are going to be drying this too. Then we turn on our food dehydrator. Let's check our vegetables. Wow, it's all dried in the food dehydrator. Have another view.
Wow, this is dry. It's awesome, fantastic.
The aroma, oh my God, it's not even blended yet, and the aroma are amazing.
Oozing.
These are all our dry ingredients. We are going to be mixing all together, and then we will be blending it with our vitamins blender. I'm going to be adding the black pepper, dry rosemary, carrots, soya beans, dry leek. And then for this African calabash nutmeg, I'm just going to be adding one piece. So I'm just going to be adding one so that it does not overpower the other. I'm going to be adding in the carrots. You can hear the sound. They are crispy dry. Very crispy dry. And then we mix it together. Combine all the wow. Wow. The aroma is super amazing.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So beautiful.